Hi everyone, Donut here. We're going to take a look at a shooting today that took place in East Cleveland, Ohio. It's not a very long shooting, so it's not going to be a very long video. I just wanted to get it out there to show the point once again that sometimes people need to be shot a lot of times before they're not dangerous. What had happened was the East Cleveland Police Department got a call that there was a rape in progress. They arrived on scene to see 48-year-old Maurice Brown standing over his victim with a gun in his hand. He approached his female victim with the gun pointed at her head. Police officers told him to drop the gun several times, and he started striking her in the face with it. From what it looks like on the body camera footage and from the footage a bystander took is that the first police officer standing beside the patrol car for cover fired 11 shots. Reports state that another officer who was there fired shots also. It sounds like the last 3 shots are probably his. Something I want you to notice here is that it takes 14 seconds from the time the first shot went off until the guy dropped.
That's my mama, nigga. That's
Drop it!
That's my mama.
Drop it!
That's my mama.
Drop it!
Mama. That's my fuck. That's my mama, man. That's my mama.
Back up.
That's my mama. That's my mama.
It's pretty crazy what the human body can do. I made another video kind of about this same subject where a police officer shot a guy over a dozen times, hit him in vital organs, and the dude just kept shooting at him. You can see that video right here. Like I said, there's not really too much to break down. Bad guy did something really bad. Police bring justice to the crime scene. This video is for sure going to get age restricted, and I don't know what's going on with YouTube throttling my views lately on my past few videos, but it kind of stinks. So if you'd like to help support the channel, I'm going to be over at twitch.tv/DonutOperator. We can hang out and talk about crime stuff or do whatever you guys want to. Just remember, if you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to me over at Twitch for absolutely free, and it gives me a few bucks to help the channel. I look forward to seeing you all there. Everyone, please have a fantastic day.